Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Black Shark 5 Pro. So in order to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Now select this app, install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app, and from here we can start customizing it. So you can sign in order to turn on sync, but we're gonna do it later right here. Set up for your data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disagree with that and proceed to the next step. Last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can also skip it right here, but let's do it. And now the browser should be ready. We can open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.